Hello and welcome back to Broken Gear Garage. Today we are working on a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Limited 244 cylinder engine that came in with a check engine light and a rough idle. Did some pre-diagnostics and we're going to start out with doing the spark plugs. These looking at the gaps on these are at 90 thousandths. Recommended is at 47 thousandths. So we got new spark plugs in there that are recommended for this vehicle. We got two that are tightened up in there. I just gotta finish the other two, and then clear the codes and see what comes back and see if it runs right. Yep. Where are you? And this vehicle has 134,000 miles on it, so those look factory and a lot of life used out of it. And got their money's worth out of it, so that's all that matters. And ran phenomenal for 130,000 miles, so I'd be happy with that. A lot of them don't last that long. And seeing that they're iridium spark plugs, you need to make sure you are gentle with it, that you don't break the tip off. And others just recommend not to adjust them because of being out of the box and being fragile, but they do not gap properly when you take them out of the box, so just be gentle when you are gapping them. Be careful that you don't break anything off. Spark plugs were 5/8 spark plug socket, and then 10 millimeter bolts for the coil. Got a different tripod, small one. I usually like to start with that, especially when mostly that they're worn down before doing anything else. Let's use that one to reference another bolt. If I can find the other one. And that clear codes. See what comes back. Go for a walk. Using a launch scanner. Cylinder 1 misfire. What do is just do a general clear codes, yes. Everything's cleared out. And 134,000 miles. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens because I had to clean up some of the gunk in there. You might need a new coil, but I'll let you know later. Welcome back. So I did order up a coil for this thing. As you can tell right now, I don't have the scan tool hooked up to it right now because I have it on a different vehicle doing some work on it. So it was cylinder number 1. I flip-flopped 2 coils, and the misfire went from cylinder number 1 to cylinder number 2. And that's usually what I do to diagnose anything with misfires and stuff like that, is the basics of checking spark plugs and coils. So flip-flopping it, and then they went to cylinder number 2, so that means that coil was bad at the time. So we ordered up a new one, put it in there. As of right now, there is no misfires, and it is working the way it's intended to. So hopefully that helps you guys out. All I got left is to put on the plate of it and pull it outside. Boom. Other than that, see you guys later.